Okay guys, so welcome dito sa ating YouTube channel ulit. Ito yung lesson 12 ng ating college algebra. Ito yung equations involving radicals. So follow up lang to dun sa lesson 11 natin, yung equation or solution in one variable. Ngayon naman, paano naman kung may radical sa loob? Okay, so to solve an equation involving one or more radicals of the second order. So ulitin ko, pag-uusapan na natin dito second order, the following procedure may be adopted. Okay, so number 1. By means of the actions of additions and subtraction, put one of the radicals should there be more than one. So parang question mark yun ha. Okay. Put one of the radicals on one side of the equation and all of the other terms on the other side. So ulitin ko lang, kung merong isa or dalawa or maraming radical, dalhin mo lang siya sa left side, dun sa other side, then yung isa naman yung mga walang radicals dun sa kabila. Okay, after nun, square both sides of the resulting equations or equation and simplify both sides. So, ito yung sunod. After mong malipat na lahat ng may radical sa left side or sa right side, tapos yung mga walang radical sa right side or sa left side, i-square mo both side. Meaning, square ko itong may radical, i-square ko itong walang radical. So, bakit ba natin i-square? I-square mo ang radical para makancel. Okay, so, ibig sabihin na ito, for example, meron akong square root of x. Pag in-square ko kasi yan, ang result niyan is x. Similar din yan sa square root of x plus 1. Pag in-square ko yan, that is x plus 1. Okay, so sana nagkakaintindihan tayo about dyan. Next, number 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2. Should this be necessary? Yes. Kunyari pag-square mo, may radical pang natira. So, sa possible yun? Yes, possible yun. Pag binomial or pag two terms may radical. Kunwari, square root of x plus square root of y. So, paano mo gagawin yun? So, square mo both sides. So, mag-multiply ka ng binomial. May matitira pa rin doon na square root. So, ayun yung gusto natin tanggalin. So, kunyari may matira ulit. Gamitin mo yung number 1. Ilipat mo ulit lahat ng walang radical sa kabila. Then, yung lahat ng meron sa kabila. Then, square mo ulit. Okay, after nun, pag natanggal mo na lahat yun, solve mo na. So, until the reduced equation has been cleared of radicals, solve the resulting equation. So, meaning kung paano natin solve yung last time sa linear equation, solve mo lang, then check. Okay, so dito mas madali lang, dito mas mabuti lagi i-check natin. Bakit? Kasi possible dito may extraneous roots eh. Usually, pag mga negative, yung values. Okay, so let's start para mas maintindihan natin. Para nga ba yung sinasabing procedure na yan. Okay, so example, number 1. Find the root of x minus 2 over x minus 2 square root of x squared plus 6 equals 0. So, ulitin ko. Ang sabi ni radical, lahat nung may radical, dun lang sa isang side. So, excuse me, sa atin, para mas madali, lahat nung may radical nasa left side, lahat nung wala nasa right side. Para pare-parehas tayo. So, ulitin ko lang ha, pwede yan sa left, pwede rin sa right. Kahit saan naman. Pero gusto ko lang para maging unique sa ating lahat. Gusto ko sa left side tayo, then sa right side yung mga walang radical. Okay, so in this term, so sabi, x minus 2 square root of x squared plus 6 equals 0. Ang walang radical is x. Siya lang mismo. Okay, sir, si 2. Si 2 ay naka-attach kay square root of x squared plus 6. Meaning para siyang coefficient ng ating radical. Okay, so tuloy natin. So sir, ano po munang gagawin? Copy ko lang ha. This is x minus 2 square root of x squared plus 6 equals 0. So, nire-rate ko lang. Next is, ita-transpose ko yung x sa kabila. So, this is negative 2 square root of x squared plus 6 okay, equals negative x. Okay, sir, next, sir, may 2 pa po. Kaya mo lang yung negative 2 na yan. Nakadikit lang naman sa radical eh. Pag in-square mo siya, so parang ini-square mo lang din siya. Okay, so kunyari lang ha. Kunyari, meron akong a square root of x. Pag in-square ko yan, ang result, si a may square. So that is a squared tapos may x. So baga may square lang din yung ating term na yun. Okay, so next is, sabi nga, pag andun na sa lahat, tulad dyan, andito na lahat, andito na yung may square root, andito na yung walang square root. Okay, so ang gagawin mo na, iaan natin square both side. So square both side, squaring both side, this is negative 2 square root of x squared plus 6 raised sa 2 equals negative x raised sa 2. Ulitin ko lang ha, in-square ko both sides. Kung anong itong value na equation. Sa equation, kung anong ginawa mo sa left side, gagawin mo rin sa right side. Okay, so tulad nyan, sir, in-square ko na. So pag in-square ko yan, ang mangyari, negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. So that is 4 multiplied by x squared plus 6 equals, this is negative x squared, negative x raised to 2 is positive x squared. Okay, then simplify further. This is 4x squared plus 24 equals x squared. Okay, so next is, sir, ganun ulit, itira natin yung mga walang radical, ay yung may mga variable x sa left side, then yung walang variable sa left side, sa right side. Okay, so this is 4x squared minus x squared equals negative 24. Okay, and that is 3x squared equals negative 24. Okay, then divide both sides by 3. So that is 3x squared over 3 equals negative 24 over 3. Okay, then sundan na natin. And that is x squared equals negative 8. Okay, so dyan mapapaisip ka, sir, ano bang square root nyan? This is equal sa, napaisip ako dito sa square root Okay, check ko lang yung value. So this is x squared minus 2x, then negative x sa kabila, then negative 2x squared positive 4. Okay, so wala naman ako mali. So ngayon ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung square root both side. So this is square root of x squared equals square root of negative 8. Okay, ngayon sa cube root lang tayo nagkakaroon. Kunyari, cube root of negative 8, may sagot. Tama, pag add yung ating index, kung naalala sa radicals, pag add yung index, may mga cube root, yung mga negative numbers, possible. Okay, pero hindi ko sinasabing lahat. Pero ito, tulad na ito, if you have square, if you have x, ang magiging sagot dyan is imaginary. Okay, so kunyari, na-encounter mo, square root of negative 2, square root of negative 3, square root of negative 4. So, yun yung time, since na pinag-uusapan dito, equations involving radicals, so pinag-uusapan kasi natin lagi dito is solution ng x. Okay, ngayon, may ituturo ako saglit para siguro mag-get rid out of na rin tayo dito sa ganito solution. For example, na-encounter mo, kunyari lang na-encounter mo si square root of negative 2. Okay, si square root of negative 2 equal kay square root of 2 times negative 1. Okay, then by property of radical, that is square root of 2 multiplied by square root of negative 1. Okay, ngayon, tandaan nyo na yung I is equal to square root of negative 1. Yung I na yan is imaginary number. Okay, so gusto ko nang ituro sa inyo lalagay ko na ngayon kasi ayoko naman magkaroon no solution or what tayo dito. So gusto ko kasi magkaroon doon ng checking, sayang. So ang gagawin mo, pag may negative tapos sa square root, possible may I dyan. So tulad na ito, square root of negative 8. So ulitin ko lang this is x is equal to, by the way, ano pala sagot dito? Ito, square root of 2 tapos yung square root of negative 1, I. So magiging sagot dito is just I is square root of 2. Okay, ganun lang kasimple yan. So ngayon, tuloy tayo. So, square root of negative 8. So, square root of negative 8, possible yan sa 4 times negative 2. Tama? So, ito ay possible sa 4 times negative 2. Na ang square root of 4 is 2. So, this is equal sa 2. Diba matitira is square root of negative 2. Sir, ano po yung square root of negative 2? Square root of negative 2 is I square root of 2. So, this is simply equal sa 2i square root of 2. And this is the value of x. Hindi siya real number. That is a complex number or imaginary number. Okay, so, sir, paano pag ganyan? Ulti ko lang. Pag may negative na sa loob, that is the case na lalagyan natin ng I. So, check natin. Baka tama yung sagot natin. Okay, so, checking. Dito ko nalagay. Okay, x is equal to 2i square root of 2. Okay, so this is x minus 2 square root of x squared plus 6 equals 0. Substitute ko lang ha. This is 2i square root of 2 minus 2 times ito ay 2i square root of 2 squared plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so concern natin si 2i square root of 2 squared. So this is 2i square root of 2 squared. So pag in-square ko yan, that is 2 squared I squared square root of 2 squared. Okay, 2 squared is 4. Square root of 2 squared is 2. And ang problema is si I. Si I, ang sagot kay I is, kunyari, in-square ko to. Pag in-square ko to, I squared is equal to negative 1. Kasi makakancel yung square root doon. Okay, so ang I squared meaning that is negative 1. So therefore, this is negative 8. So balik lang tayo dito. So this is 2i square root of 2 minus 2 square root of negative 8 daw to plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so ulit nga, huwag ka malilito dun sa I na yun. Si I is just square root of negative 1. Pag in-square ko, I squared is equal to negative 1. Okay, so next is, this is equivalent sa 2i square root of 2 minus 2 square root of negative 2 equals 0. So naalala nyo, no? Si square root of negative 2 is I square root of 2. So this is 2i square root of 2 minus 2i square root of 2 which is equal sa 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So tama yung ating root. So lagyan ko to ng question mark. Okay, so nagkataon lang talaga na may negative sa loob. Pasensya na. So ayoko kasing iwasan na no solution eh. So dito sa square root, pag nakita mo yung square root of negative something, possible yun may I sa labas na ma-attach. Okay, so another example para makita nyo. Kunyari, square root of negative 3. So that is I square root of 3. Okay, kunyari ulit, square root of negative 9. So ito, perfect square. Perfect square si 9. So ito magiging 3i. So bakit 3i? Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of negative 1 is I. So that is 3i. So sana masanay kayo dyan at maintindihan nyo rin ginagawa ni sir. Okay? So medyo humaba si 1. Nagulat din ako. Nagulantang. Hindi ko rin naasahan ng ganyan siya kahaba. So number 2. Find the root o roots of the equation 2x square root of x plus 2 equals 6 square root of x plus 2. So ano ba ulang sabi? Ang ulang sabi, dapat daw lahat ng radical nasa left side. Tapos, yung walang radical, dapat nasa right side. Kaso, ito yung mapansin mo, sir. 2x square root of x plus 2 is equal to 6 square root of x plus 2. Parehas po sila ng radical. Pwede ko po bang i-divide na lang both side by square root of x plus 2? Yes, pwede natin gawin yun. So, parang meaning kakancelin na lang natin siya. Kasi nga, parehas eh. Square root ng x plus 2, isang term lang naman yan. 6 square root of x plus 2, isang term lang naman yan. Okay, so rewrite ko lang muna. So that is 2x square root ng x plus 2 equals 6 square root ng x plus 2. Then divide both side by square root of x plus 2. So divide both side by square root ng x plus 2 and divide this by square root of x plus 2. So basically cancel yun. So this is 2x equals cancel din yun. This is 6. Okay, then divide both side by 2. So that is 2x over 2 equals 6 over 2 which is x is equal to 3. At ayun na naman, meron naman ako nakuwang 3. Nagbabadya talaga si 3. Wag naman sana. Okay, so yun na. Pag possible naman i-cancel, cancel out mo. Ikaw na bahala. Okay, so check natin. Checking, that's of checking. So if x is equal to 3, so that is 2 times 3 square root ng 3 plus 2. Equal ba yan kay 6 square root ng 3 plus 2? Obviously 2 times 3 is 6. Square root of 5 equals sa 6 square root of 5 which is true. At tama naman yung value. Okay, so therefore ang value na x is 3. Hindi siya extraneous root. Okay, so proceed pa nga tayo sa example. Okay, so let's have number 3. So find the roots of square root of x plus 2 equals square root ng x plus 3. So ito naman yung term o yung moment na, tingnan nyo kung ililipat mo kasi si square root of x plus 2 tapos si square root of plus 3 sa kabila, kunyari ng ganito, ano yung ginawa mong ganito? So square root of x plus 2 minus square root ng x plus 3 equals 0. So, ang gagawin mo, pag in-square mo, binomial pa to. Tama, pag in-square ko to, binomial to. I-square ko yung binomial, tapos ito pa. So, mangyari, madadagdagan ka pa ng process ulit. Kumbaga, mag-i-square ka pa ulit, or mag-i-square ka pa ulit both side. Okay, so, since ganito naman yung nangyari, tingnan mo square root equals square root, pwede naman, square mo na lang both side, para mas madali siyang makancel. Okay, so, tuloy natin. So, sabi nga ni sir, square root ng x plus 2, equals square root ng x plus 3. Gagawin ko, square ko na to. Tapos ito, square ko na rin. Okay, so cancel yan. That is only x plus 2, which is equal sa x plus 3. Okay, then, pansinin nyo, this is x minus x, which is equal sa 3 minus 2. At napansin mo, sir, 0 po. Nawala po si value ng x. Nawala po si variable x. Pag nawala yung variable x, that is the time na sasabihin mo na siya ay no solution. Okay, ulitin ko. X minus x is 0 is equal to 1. Which is not true. Tama, 0 is not equal to 1. Nangyari pa na wala yung variable x. So therefore, it has no solution. So the equation square root of x plus 2 equals square root of x plus 3 has no solution. Okay, so ulit, wala siyang root. Ganun kasimple. Okay, so tandaan nyo na. Ayan. Number 4, tuloy lang natin. So ito naman sunod. Find the root or roots of square root of x plus 3 plus square root ng x plus 6 equals 3. Okay, so ito naman sinadya na. Nandun na talaga siya sa left side, lahat ng may square root. Tapos, yung kabila, wala ng square root. So, meaning, possible right away, pwede ka na mag-square. Okay, so before ako mag-square or apply ko muna yung square, pakita ko muna yung pag-square, tapos may papakita ko sa inyo mangyayari. Kasi may special, ano na mangyayari. X plus 3 plus square root ng x plus 6 naka-raise sa 2 equal to sa 3 square. Okay, so pansinin nyo yung nakalagay sa kabila. Sir, ang nakalagay po sa kabila is square root of x plus 3 plus square root ng x plus 6. Ang sagot dyan, hindi lang basta makakancel si square root plus x plus 6. Kumbaga, x plus 3 plus x plus 6, hindi pwede yun. Okay? Ang idea niyan, siya ay binomial na i-square ko. Okay, so tandaan natin. So, example ko lang dito or illustration ko. Okay, so kunyari meron ako yung square root of x plus square root of y. Pag in-square ko, ano mangyari? Sir, ito po ay equal sa square root of x raised sa 2 plus 2 square root of x times square root of y. Ito yung a squared plus 2ab plus square root of y raised sa 2 plus b squared. Ayun yung mangyayari literal dyan. Okay? And that is equivalent sa x plus 2 square root ng xy plus y. Okay? At napansin mo, sir, may square root pa rin sa loob. Ganon din yung mangyayari dito. Okay? Pag in-square ko yan, may matitira pa rin square root sa loob yan. At tatanggalin na naman natin yung square root na yun by the process of squaring both sides. Okay? So, proceed tayo dun sa gagawin natin. Ito yung a, ito yung b. So, meaning, this is square root ng x plus 3 raised sa 2 plus 2 square root ng x plus 3 times square root ng x plus 6 a squared plus 2ab plus square root ng x plus 6 raised sa 2 equals 9. Okay, next, pag in-square natin both sides o pag natanggal square root, this is x plus 3 plus 2 square root ng pagsamahin ko na lang x plus 3 x plus 6 10 plus x plus 6 equals 9. Okay, ang sabi ulit, lahat daw ng walang square root dalhin sa kabilang side. So tulad nito, x plus 3 sa x plus 6, dalhin ko na sa kabila. So this is equal sa 2 square root ng x plus 3 then x plus 6 equals 9 minus 6 minus 3 minus x minus x. So transpose ko lang yung x, 3, 6, and x. Okay, and this is equivalent sa 2 square root ng x plus 3 then x plus 6 equal to sa 9 minus 6 minus 3 is 0. Okay, and this is equal sa negative 2x. Okay, next. Since bumalik tayo ulit, ang sabi, repeat 1 and 2 or repeat step 1 and 2. Ganun ulit, naka-isolate naman na yung mga square root, yung may square root tapos yung walang square root. Ano ulit gagawin? Sir, ang gagawin po ulit natin ay tayo ay mag-i-square both sides. So pag i-square both sides, this is, so squaring both sides, this is square, tapos square, so this is 4 multiplied by x plus 3 tapos x plus 6 equals 4x squared. Okay, then simplify further sa loob. This is 4 multiplied by x squared then plus 9x plus 18. So tinuloy ko na lang ha. So this is equal sa 4x squared. Okay, so sinimplify ko agad. X plus 3 times x plus 6, that is x squared plus 9x kasi 6x plus 3x then plus 18. Then simplify pa natin. So that is 4x squared plus 36x plus 18 times 4, 72. So sana tama yung pag-multiply sir, equals 4x squared. Okay, so obviously cancel tong 4x squared na to eh. No, kasi pag transpose ko. So matitira na lang, this is 36x equals negative 72 kasi transpose ko sa kabila. Then divide both sides by 36 and 36. Then x is equal sa negative 2. Okay, so therefore the value of x is equal sa negative 2. So tanggalin ko rin to. Check na natin, checking. Okay, so hindi porket may nakuha kang value, automatic siya yung value ha. May instances kasi na pag nilagay ko siya sa loob, hindi siya yung square root. So tulad nito. So if x is equal sa negative 2, so this is square root ng negative 2 plus 3 plus square root ng negative 2 plus 6 equals sa 3. So question mark. So this is square root of 1 plus square root of 4 question mark equal kay 3. So this is 1 plus 2 which is question mark equals to 3. So therefore 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so therefore x is equal to negative 2 since nag-equal naman siya using checking. Okay, so ayun yung scenario pag dalawa square root or binomial. So hindi ko lang sasabi lagi na pag dalawa square root tapos ganyan gagawin mo. Possible din yung ganitong case. Tingnan nyo. 2 minus 3 square to x plus 3. So possible dyan may maka-cancel ulit ako. Okay, so proceed na nga tayo sa number 5 na yan. So number 5, find the root or roots of x minus 2c times square root ng 9x plus 7 equals 2 minus 3 square root ng x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2c. Okay, so obviously sir, may parehas sa x minus 2c. Kasi isang term po ito nakamultiply doon, isang term to nakamultiply doon. So possible pwede natin makancel x minus 2c. Kung nang mo problema ka doon sa x minus 2c. Okay, so divide both side by x minus 2c. So dito ko nang lagay. So this is x minus 2c. Then square root ng 9x plus 7. Sorry, nalagyan ko ng ano. Then that is 2 minus 3 square root ng x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2c. Okay, divide both side by x minus 2c. Then x minus 2c. Okay, so ang matitira is 9x plus 7 equals sa 2 minus 3 square root ng x plus 3. Okay, then ang sabi, lahat ng may radical dapat nasa right side or nasa left. Then yung walang radical nandun sa right or left. Kung saan mo gusto itira. Okay, so this is equal sa square root ng 9x plus 7 plus 3 square root ng x plus 3 equals positive 2. Okay, then square both side. So this is square root ng 9x plus 7 plus 3 square root ng x plus 3 raised sa 2 equals sa 2 squared. Okay, ngayon pag in-square ko na, hindi ko na ipapakita yung part na to. Okay, so ang gagawin ko na, rekta naka-square na siya. Tinanggal ko na yung square root kasi ganoon din na may mangyari. Okay, so ulit ko lang. Ang square ng 9x plus 7, square root ng 9x plus 7. So this is 9x plus 7. Okay, then plus 2 times square root ng 9x plus 7 times 3 square root ng x plus 3 plus yung 3 square ng x plus 3 magiging 9, no? Magkakaroon ng 9 then x plus 3 equals 4. Okay, then simplify further. So this is 9x plus 7 plus 2 times 3, this is 6 square root ng 9x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 3. So pinagsama ko na sa isang radical. Okay, then plus 9x plus 27 equals 4. Okay, next is siyempre transpose natin lahat, no, lang walang square root kasi ngayon tatanggalin natin ulit. So yung mga 9x na yan, 9x pag transpose sa kabila, negative 9x minus negative 9x which is negative 18x na lang. Okay, so huwag ko nang masyadong pahabain. So this is 6 square root ng 9x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, more equal. So 7 plus 27, that is 34. So 4 minus 34 is negative 30. Tama ba? Negative 30 minus 18x. Okay, so another square na naman both sides. So ang haba din. Ito rin yung nakakapagod dito. So pag in-square ko both sides, this is 6 square root ng 9x plus 7 x plus 3 kasi square natin equal sa negative 30 minus 18x square natin. Medyo nakakapagod na siya. Okay, next is square natin. So this is magiging 6 na lang. Tapos simplify ko na to, yung 9x plus 7 saka x plus 3. So that is 9x squared, no? So that is 9x squared. Then check ko lang din yung mga lalabas, 9x squared, then 27 saka 7, 34x plus 21 equals, pag square natin, negative 30 minus 18x raised sa 2 square natin, 18x square natin yan. So that is wait, kunin ko lang yung calculate. Check ko lang. So 30 squared is negative 30 squared. So negative 30 squared is 900. Sorry, hindi na ako marunong mag-multiply. This is 900 plus 2 times negative 30 negative 18x, then 18x, negative 18x raised sa 2. So parang negative 18, no? Negative 18, sorry, that is negative 18 raised sa 2. Okay, 324. So that is positive 324. So this plus 324 x squared. Okay, so medyo mahaba pa. Okay, then simplify pa further. Ito ay 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, so this is 54x squared plus 34 times 6, 204 plus 21 times 6, 126. Okay, nakalimutan ni x. Si x, then this is equal sa 900 Then negative times negative is positive, so that is 30 times 2 times 18, that is 1080. Okay, so this is positive 1080x plus 324 x squared. Okay, so lahat ulit na may variable, lipat natin sa kabila. Okay, so syempre sir, ang tira is 54 x squared minus 324 x squared plus 204x minus 1080x equals 900 minus 126. Okay, next is 54 minus 324, negative 270 daw, sabi ni Calcu. So negative 270 x squared. Okay, then 204 minus 1080 is negative 876. Negative 876x equals, ay hirap mag, so 900 minus 126, 7724. 774. Okay, then hindi ko sure saan divisible lahat yan, pero check ko sa kung divisible sila sa 9. Okay, check ko lang ha. So 876 divided by 9, hindi pwede. So 27, so 876 divided by 27, hindi rin pwede. Okay, so ito nangyari. Ang nangyari, based sa given, ang resulting equation is quadratic. Tama. So since quadratic ba siya, ito quadratic to eh. Okay, so ngayon sa activity, so kunyari nagkaroon ng idea na nag-quadratic siya, so wag mo muna sasagutan, ihang mo na yung sagot mo is quadratic. So for example, ito tulad nito, ihang ko muna sagot natin quadratic. Bakit sir? Kasi hindi pa tayo nagka-quadratic equation. So hanggat hindi ko pa tinuturo, ayoko kasing unahan. Tulad nung kanina, nagkaroon tayo ng square root of negative something. So anong nangyari, kailangan ko ituro yung may square root. So ayun nga, gusto ko na iwasan to. Ayoko na kasi may sariling topic si quadratic. Okay, so kunyari nagkaroon ka ng time or nagkaroon tayo ng tanong kung saan umabot dito. So for the meantime, yung quadratic muna natin. Hayaan mo muna quadratic. So solvable to using yung quadratic equation, quadratic formula, or completing the square. So for the meantime, ihahang ko muna. Hindi ko muna siya isa-solve. Okay, so proceed tayo sa next example. So sorry kung ganyan umabot sa example. Kasi nga, hindi ko rin expect na ganyan yung ilalabas ng sagot eh. Okay, so hoping na naintindihan nyo yung part na to. Okay, so let's have number 6. So ngayon, i-violate ko konti yung given na. Ang sabi kasi sa ating sinosolve is gusto niya is laging yung square root. So yun, paano naman kung cube root? Okay, gusto ko lang i-violate o iliko konti yung topic or discussion natin. Okay, so medyo pumapalpak. Hindi naman sa totally palpak kasi hindi ko in-expect yung mga given na nakukuha ko. So pasensya na, kuha lang din ako ng kuha talaga ng given. Then on the spot, solve ko yan. So sana naiintindihan niyo part na yan. Ngayon naman, so find the roots or roots of cube root of x plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, so similar din naman siya sa pagkuha ng square root. Pag square root yung given, sa square root, para matanggal si square root, anong ginagawa mo? Ini-square. So ngayon, sa cube root, para matanggal mo yung cube root, anong gagawin mo? I-cube. Okay, so meaning, ikukunin mo lang yung, i-cube mo lang both sides. So tulad nito, if we have cube root ng x plus 3, which is equal sa 4, i-cube root ko lang yan both side. Okay, so cancel to. So this is x plus 3, which is equal sa 4 raised to 3 to 64. Kasi 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Then therefore, the value of x is equal to 64 minus 3, which is x is equal to 61, which is this is the value. And i-check lang natin sa loob. So by checking, okay, so this is cube root of 61 plus 3, which is equal ba to sa 4? So this is cube root of 64, which is equal sa 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. So therefore 4 is equal to 4. So tama yung value natin. Okay, so kunyari iniba ko ng number, kunyari ginawa kong 4th root, 5th root, anong gagawin mo? I-erase ko lang sa 4, i-erase ko lang sa 5. Depende kung ano yung given. So ngayon, mahirap or wala pa akong nakitang given, kunyari square root of x plus cube root of x. yun, iba yun. Hindi natin pwede gawin basta-basta yun. Okay, so siguro pag nagkaroon ako ng time or sa ibang discussion natin, try kong gawin yung mga ganong scenario. So what if naman ganito yung square root? What if naman magkaiba yung index? So anong gagawin natin? Okay, so for the meantime, ito muna tayo. Okay, so number 7, last example para sa lesson na to. Okay, so find the roots or root of square root ng 3x plus 7 minus square root ng 3x plus 4 is equal to 1. So yun naman. Hindi ko na naman alam kung tatama ba to dun sa gusto natin, kung may roots ba siya. So hoping tumama. Okay, so since naman nakalagay na yung mga square root dun sa left side, then yung wala dun sa right side, possible right away mag square na lang tayo. Okay, so ito na. So this is square root ng 3x plus 7 minus square root ng 3x plus 4 raised sa 2 equals sa 1 square. Okay, then square natin both side. Siyempre matitira dito 3x plus 7 na lang. Tapos since negative 2 naman yung sa gitna. So this is negative 2 times square root ng 3x plus 7 times square root ng 3x plus 4. Okay, minus this is 3x plus 4. Sorry, that is plus. Equals 1. Naman, no? Kasi negative times negative is positive. Okay, next is simplify natin further. So, sabihin sir, this is negative 2 square root ng 3x plus 7. So, pagsamahin natin sa loob. Times 3x plus 4. Equal siya sa 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is minus 11. 3x plus 3x, 6x. So this is minus 6x. Okay, so this is negative 2 square root ng 3x plus 7 and 3x plus 4. Okay, equal to sa negative 10 minus 6x. At ayan na naman tayo sa given na yan. Okay, so hoping tumama na ngayon. So pag in-square natin. Okay, so square both side. So this is negative 2 square root ng, simplify ka na sa laba, 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Okay, 3x times 4 is 12x. 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 plus 12 is 33. Tama na, 33. So that's plus 33x. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, equals, square natin to. Sorry, naka-square pala to. Then negative 10 minus 6x raised sa 2. Okay, so hoping na tumama na to pag in-square. Okay, so pag in-square, negative 2 is 4. So this is 4 multiplied by 9x squared plus 33x plus 28 equals negative 10 times negative 10 is 100. Okay, minus 2 times negative 10 times negative 6x. Tama, or sorry, this is plus. Next is, this is plus 36x squared. Yun, baka may nakita na ako mali. Tama lang naman. Okay, kasi kinuha ko yung negative. So, negative A, negative. Tama lang yan. Okay, so this is, ayun, nakikita ko na. So, this is 36x squared plus 33 times 4. So, 4 times 33, 132. X is 28 times 4, 112. So, yan 28 times 4, 112. So, baka sabihin din, dugas ko kayo. Next is 100 plus 10 times 10. 10 times, negative 10 times negative 6 is positive 60. Times 2. That is positive 120, no? So, that is positive 120x plus 36x squared. So, kung napapansin mo dito, ano ba pinagkaiba niya kanina sa given? So sa given kasi natin kanina, nung in-square ko yung 18, 324. Nung minultiply ko to, 54. So nangyari, nung pinag-simplify ko, hindi na-cancel yung x squared. Kaya quadratic siya. Unlike dito, pag transpose natin lahat may variable x. Buti ko lang nga, so this is 36x squared minus yun. Okay, then plus 132x minus yung 120. X equals, ito ay 100 minus 112. Okay, so mapapansin mo ito cancel. Okay, so napapadali. So this is 12x equals a negative 12. So divide both side by 12. So negative 12 divided by 12. So therefore, x is equal to negative 1. So may value siya. So at least nagkaroon ako ng example na kung saan sumagad. At ayun nga, nung pag-simplify ko, sakto. Kasi ito naman talaga goal ko eh. So probably typographical error lang si sir doon. So hindi ko na ma-check kasi mahaba yung subok eh. Hindi ko makita ko anong page. Hindi ko na maalala. Okay, so let's have checking. Check na natin kung tama yung sagot natin dito. So check. So x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so this is square root ng 3 times negative 1 plus 7 minus 3 times negative 1 plus 4 equals 1. Okay, and that is question mark. So that is equals to negative 3 plus 7 minus negative 3 plus 4 question mark sa 1. Then this is square root of 4 minus square root of 1 question mark of that, if that is 1. So this is 2 minus 1. Okay, and therefore 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore tama yung tama yung checking natin. So therefore value to. Ang solution o root ng ating equation na square root ng 3x plus 7 minus square root ng 3x plus 4 is equal to 1 is negative 1. Okay, so that's all for this video. So yun na, ang goal ko lang naman talaga is ituro sa inyo si square root. Nilagdagan ko ng cube root. Tapos anong nangyari pa, meron tayong dumating sa point na merong quadratic. So in terms of, kunyari meron dumating na ganito, for the meantime, habang hindi ko pa tinuturing quadratic formula, completing the square, wag nyo munang sagutan. Okay, so thank you, that's all. Hoping na ma-stay ka pa at manood ka pa ng mga susunod nating video para mas matuto ka dito sa college algebra natin.